Hello everybody. I'd like to share a Goodwill find on this channel today. This is a late 80s. I don't know the exact year. If anyone knows, please leave it in the comments. It's a Peugeot Canyon Express in pink, and it's all Shimano components, array of rims. It even has the original Pan Racer tires, which are in very good condition. The sidewalls are not dry rotted at all. And I don't plan on doing much with this bike besides cleaning up some of the surface rust on the components. On the front derailleur, in the rear derailleur is actually nice. Everything works. The brakes work. These are definitely vintage grips. I would assume these are the original grips that came with the bike. Cantilever brakes, all in good working order. I will change the cables, although they would still work. They'd have a coating of surface rust on them. It's a very nice bike. I definitely do like the style of this bike, and I do like the color also. The late 80s, these were real comfortable frames to ride too. But this should be really good to clean up, and I'll enjoy this bike this summer. Thank you for watching.